Cold emails are boring to write, take too much time, but what if AI could do it for you? In this video, I will show you an automation I built that extract the leads, check their websites, write a custom email and send it all on its own. So let me just give you a quick preview how the automation is working. So let's just click on the execution button and then you can see the execution is started and it gets the website and it is summarizing it, and now it is drafting the email. It will take a few seconds and minutes to write a customized email, and then boom, the sheet is being updated and the email is being sent it. So let's just quickly go on the Google Sheet and check if the sheet is being updated or not. So here you can see that the sheet is being updated, and then let's just go to the email like to check if we get the email or not. And here you go, we get the email as well. So no typing, no copy paste, or no wasting of time. This is just this simple. Hi there, this is Rafi Asim. I hope you are doing good, and today I will walk you through my new AI automation. And this automation is designed for cold emailing but with the help of AI. So let's just quickly dive into our AI automation workflow. So here you can see this is how the whole workflow looks like, and don't worry, I will be guiding you how the whole AI automation workflow step by step working. So if we move towards the first step, as you can see, this is defined as a schedule trigger. So what this basically is schedule trigger do, it is basically running the whole workflow on a set of interval time. And if we open this, so here you can see we can run this workflow in minutes, hours, days, weeks, or so on according to our needs. Basically, think of a schedule trigger as an alarm clock. We can set it to run every hour, every minute according to our requirements or according to our needs. And in the next step, you can see there is a Google Sheet attached, and it is defined as a get lead. So basically what this do, it basically extract the emails that I have provided in the Google Sheet and attach that with this workflow. It extracted emails from that Google Sheet and provide it to move forward to the next step. And in the next step, you can see there is a loop node attached. So basically here you can see there is a 35 items indication. So 35 items basically is equals to the 35 emails that I have put it into the sheet. So what this loop node does is split them basically into batches and proceed them one by one into the next step. And here you can see in the next step, it is defined as a HTTP request node. So basically what this HTTP request node do, it basically extract the all URLs from the provided Google Sheet, and the all URLs from the provided transfer that to the next node. Here you can see it is defined as a markdown node. So basically markdown nodes convert the raw HTML into markdown for easier summarization. That makes AI agent job cleaner and helps them to easily summarize the website URL or the URL that is being given by the HTTP request. And in the next step, here you can see it is defined as a website summarizer. Basically, this is where we are getting the help from the AI. This is the AI chat model, and to run this model, we are using a Gemini chat model. So what is the function of website summarizer? Basically, this node read the website and give us short brief about the business, what actually business do, to help us draft a personalized email and give the details to the next step. So here in the next step, here you can see it is defined as an email crafter node. So here again we are using a AI chat model, and to run this process we are using a Google Gemini chat model. So what is the main function of this email crafter? Basically whatever the summary that is being given by the website summarizer node, it drafts the personalized email accordingly and transfer that email to the next step. And in the next step you can see plus one thing more about the email crafter. You can personalize this AI chat model to write email according to your need. Here you can see I have already provided my step-by-step guide how I wanted to write the email. So here you can define the AI agent, the prompts, the according to your need how you wanted to write the email. So again, get back to the steps. So in the next step here, you can see it is defined as a code node. So basically what code nodes do, I have already provided this code to subjects lines. So it randomly chooses one subject line for the individual emails and transfer the subject line to the next step. And in the next step here, you can see there is a Google Sheet attached, and it is called as store email content. The purpose of this using this Google Sheet is whatever the email is being drafted and the subject that we got, it is first stored in the Google Sheet. As here you can see, the email is being stored in the Google Sheet, and here you can see the whole email. You can review the email before sending it to the individual person. And in the next step here is another Google Sheet. So basically whenever the email is being added to the Google Sheet, it will change the send status to the from to do to pending. In the next step here you can see there is a node called format email HTML. So what is the function of it and why we are using it? Basically the emails that is being crafted by the AI agent, it comes in the form of one paragraph, or we don't need to send the email in just one paragraph, as it is presentable and it is looks really unprofessional. So this node convert that one paragraph into a HTML code and make the email into a presentable manner before sending it to the consumers. And in the next step here you can see the node of a sent email. So here I am using a webmail, but you can always choose any other email provider like Gmail or the Outlook. In this process the email is being sent, and then after the individual email is being sent, the status is being updated in the next step of the Google Sheet. It is defined as a send status, and it changes the status from the pending to the done. And in the last step here you can see there's a node defined as wait. So after sending each email we can wait for a specific time. So basically why we need it, basically we need it to avoid hitting the SMPT limits and also to avoid the spamming issue. So that's it, that was the complete cycle of the workflow. And here comes the main question, why this matter, why we need this automation. So basically this workflow save hours of manual work, and instead of sending emails one by one, AI does it in minutes, and you get personalized outreach at scale. And that's the real power of automation in the AI era. So that's it for today, and that was my cold emailing outreaching workflow automation. I hope you like it, and if you have any type of questions or any type of confusion related to this AI automation, you can always use the comment section, and I will love to hear you. So see you in the next AI automation, and let's optimize our businesses smarter, not harder.